This is my moth hatching. Oh my gosh!
Why don't you put it in the light so maybe that might be hard for it. That might be too much for it. Ooh, it's big, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, it's huge.
Look at it.
Wow. It hatched?
Yeah. I thought you were dead, Iris.
So we have turkey left. Now.
Okay, yeah. That's everything.
No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. It has to. It has to dry out its wings. I'll let it go tomorrow.
Take it outside.
I would just take it outside.
No, it has to dry out.
Yeah, but don't you think it's...
Well, first it has to push fluid to its wings, which will be kind of messy.
So let's take it out.
How long does it live?
Probably.
It's not out of its thing yet, is it?
Well, no.
Cool!
Because it has to get out of that thing.
No, that's its body. See? No, that's like a caterpillar body. Oh my gosh.
I think it loses that here.
Yeah.
You see a picture of it? It's just a completely V shape.
Mom, where should I put this in?
Okay, just put it on.